means that we are the only students at the school today. This is my last Monday through Friday, so I thought I would vlog for you guys so you could see what it's like. We're doing chemical peels this week and lash lifts and lash extensions, so it's a really fun week. So I'm gonna document as much as I can, and yeah. Okay guys, so this was, I don't know, another day. I'm getting a body treatment and I'm also giving a body treatment, so this is me preparing to give a body treatment. This is kind of what the setup looks like. This is everything that you need. That's the exfoliator, oil, emollient, double brush technique, and a little mylar blanket. Here I am giving the body treatment. It's actually really therapeutic, super relaxing. It feels great. It really, really does. And it's easy to add in a facial with this treatment, because like while you're letting the blanket heat up and really like, you know, start to work, you can give a facial. I don't know what we were getting ready to do. I think we just learned about chemical peels. So yeah, here we go. We're about to do a chemical peel. Girl, listen. I was so nervous about the chemical peel, not necessarily giving it, but just getting one, because, you know, going through school, you're going to notice that your skin is changing a lot. So I wasn't too sure, but I was really happy with the results of my chemical peel. It did so great. My skin is like glowing, but also helps with light pigmentation, obviously skin cells, just rejuvenating, and also just treating acne as well. So great method. We use a double neutralizing technique at the school. So yeah, here's my skin. I'm glowing, and here's another day. On to the next. Like, girl, it don't stop. I am tired, I'm not gonna lie, but I've gotten used to being a person in public again. So that's cool. But I don't know about the rest. So there I am getting ready to try to get lash lifts, but my eyelashes are too curly, so it doesn't really lift. Anyways, here I am now giving a lash lift. Has long lashes in general, but this just lifted and curled over, and they look really great on her. So anyways, here's popsicle sticks, tweezers, because we're gonna practice lash extensions. We gonna see, girl. You will find that they're gonna give you the basics. They're not gonna give you everything you need to know, but we are very fortunate that one of our instructors is a lash professional in real life. Like, she's a lash artist, that's what she does. So yeah, here's me practicing on popsicle stick. Girl, don't even get me started on this day. Let's move on. Like, it was a whole thing. And also the mannequin head, her lashes, they're like straight, they're not realistic. So yeah, as you can see, it's a work in progress. So there's my mannequin lashes. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now we're also doing a brow tint. This is legitimately 1 week. No, like, it's so crazy how much you learn. We were practicing on one side. Quinchada's really cool. She let us do that. It is Friday, so let's go to school. Okay, so Friday's hectic. I just want to say that right now. Lashing is a whole experience, so it was almost nearly impossible for me to record anything for you guys, but I tried. Okay guys, it is my lunchtime, so I've got my lunch here. I got Subway today because it was closed, it's easy, and I've been eating like trash since I started school. I'm gonna go eat, and then we are gonna practice lash extensions. And I'm pretty excited because the girl who's teaching us, she is a lash professional in real life. Like, that's what she does. And so it just makes me feel more confident. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to go eat, and then we'll get back to the day. Okay guys, don't look at her lashes because that's professional work. I did not do that. But I did tape her bottom eyelashes down, so whatever. Okay, so here she is doing mine, and then I did somebody else's because she had hers done already. But anyways, girl, lashing is something I love, but it's gonna take time, and I'm just not there yet. All right, y'all, I'm leaving school. It didn't work today on the vlog. I'm so sorry. I thought I had so much more to show you guys, but like busy trying to get it done. So I'm gonna take my mannequin head. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna practice on Bertha and we're gonna see what happened. So anyways, today's Saturday. I decided just to continue the vlog a little bit because we did do something really cute today. We went apple picking. Let me show you guys what we got. So here's all the apples that we picked. And yeah, I have a 3-day weekend, so I'm going to enjoy my weekend. And I hope you guys enjoy your weekends. Check out my other videos if you like this video. I will post a little behind the scenes clip of us at the apple orchard. And and yeah, that's what the word purd is today. Okay, y'all, here's my attempt at trying lashes. I got sleepy, went to bed, and that was pretty much the week. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you do like my videos, make sure you subscribe. I post new content every single week about my journey of becoming an esthetician and all things beauty. So if you like that kind of vibe, make sure you subscribe. I will see you guys next time.